The 2024 SEMA Show in Las Vegas, where ENEOS, Japan's largest oil company, is making waves with its impressive display of performance vehicles and innovative products. The 1971 Datsun 240Z, affectionately known as the Devil Z. This custom-built car is a collaboration between ENEOS and renowned designer Jon Sibal, inspired by the anime manga series Wangan Midnight. Engine 2.8-liter Datsun E85 injector Dynamics 1340cc injectors. The engine is controlled by a Haltech 2500 ECU programmed for E85, providing optimal performance and traction control. Haltech 2500 with DBW, traction control and E85, dual Walbro 525 fuel pumps in fuel cell, NOS nitrous oxide system, custom turbo hoses mil-spec wiring harness, stainless steel downpipes, titanium dual exhaust, billet valve cover, anti-gravity lithium battery with tracker. Exterior Jon Sibal S30Z wide-body kit, vented carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber mirrors, Apex engineered billet hood hinges, skillered custom front splitter and rear diffuser, billet pitchfork badges, LED headlights and rear lights, bodywork. Assembly and paint by Supreme Auto Body using Porsche PTS San Marino blue metallic paint. Wheels tires 17x 11.5-inch front, 18x 13-inch rear Workmeister M1 wheels, 275/40R17 front, 315/30R18 rear Toyo Proxys R888R tires. Brakes bespoke turbo hoses, 4-piston calipers, and 340mm carbon ceramic rotors front and rear. Electronic e-brake. Transmission Nissan G35-900 6-speed transmission. Jim Wolf Technology HD clutch and flywheel. Ford Super 8 differential. Suspension chassis Apex engineered front and rear suspension, crossmember, fender brace, chassis rails, differential cradle, hubs and bearings, 370 VC axles, Apex front and 3T rear sway bars, billet titanium front and rear strut tower braces, stitch welded, reinforced frame rails, diagonal front chassis braces. Interior personalized Devil Z speed hut gauges with billet bezels, dynamic AutoWorks custom roll bar, Recaro GT seats, Sabelt 4-point harnesses, Momo Blackline series steering wheel, autoclave dry carbon rear view mirror, custom center console, billet pitchfork logo shift knob,